everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Happy New Year! 2022. It has been a strange and for some rough road in 2020 and 21. Let's see what 2022 brings. I hope and pray it'll be a lot better for everybody out there. Beautiful sunny day today, but really cold. Winter has come in full force. Seems like January 1st somebody flipped a big switch and the temperatures sunk and we have winter. It is really cold out there. Like, we're having highs in the teens and 20s and lows in the single digits and maybe even lower. So quite a switch. I am starting to heal up. My rib is feeling better and all my other injuries are starting to get better, so I will be doing some more work on the homestead in the coming days and weeks. By the way, I have a really cool video coming for you. I think you will all love it very much. It was a good family, old-fashioned type homestead video, and that will be coming up in a day or so here. And I'm working in my office, been really just taking it easy, resting, working on batteries, because in the spring when the weather turns, I plan on finishing up the garage, turning it into a all-around workshop slash wood shop slash I'm going to make stuff for sale and for fun and anything I need shop. So I hope to finish that up and have it completely, fully off-grid solar powered using all the batteries that I've got here all over, and make it a really good, cool, fun project and video series for all. So, very brief, not much going on except for healing myself up, feeding wood into the wood stove constantly. Like, it is really burning a lot. And just taking care of the animals and keeping the homestead going. Watch for that really cool and exciting homestead video coming up.